Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your server image on Discord. Okay, a lot of people go to the settings here and then they go to profiles and then they see server profiles here, but this is not where you change your image for your Discord server. Instead, you have to go to this drop down here and go to server settings. Now here, this is where you upload your Discord server image. And this image will be displayed instead of your plain text-based server icon image. Okay, let's go ahead and click on this. I'm going to select my ghost picture. Click on Open button. And there you have it. You've just uploaded your Discord server image. Let's go ahead and exit this screen, but first we have to save changes. Okay, exit, and that's it, guys. As you can see, the ghost image for my Discord server is now being visible on the left navigation sidebar. Okay, and that's pretty much all there is to adding an image to your Discord server.